If you're thinking about getting the Sony LinkBuds S, stick around because I'm about to tell you why this popular earbuds pick might not be as perfect as it seems. At $179.99, these earbuds promise smart sound that learns from your behavior, ultra-clear calls, and the ideal balance between noise canceling and ambient sound. But here's what surprised me. Despite all the hype, the LinkBuds S have some significant drawbacks that could make you regret your purchase. Today, I'm giving you an honest review, unfiltered and straight to the point, to help you decide if these are really worth your money or better left on the shelf. First off, who is this product really for? The Sony LinkBuds S market themselves as personal and business earbuds, designed for commuters, professionals taking important calls, and anyone who wants a seamless audio experience between their online and offline worlds. If you want earbuds that automatically adapt noise canceling depending on your surroundings, ultralight comfort, and good call quality, these should tick all your boxes on paper. But buying tech based on features only can sometimes lead to disappointment, so let's dive deeper. Now, Sony claims the LinkBuds S feature smart sound technology with an integrated processor V1 that customizes your audio experience and lets you switch effortlessly between noise canceling and their best, transparent ambient sound. The earbuds are ultra small and light, weighing almost nothing, and offer multi-point connection, meaning you can pair with two devices at once with a firmware update. Battery life is decent with 6 hours on a single charge, plus a charging case providing another 20 hours. Swipe controls let you handle calls, music, and voice assistants without touching your phone, and the earbuds even have an IPX4 rating to resist sweat and splashes, which sounds perfect for workouts or rainy commutes. But here's the thing. Not everything matches up once you start using them. The Amazon rating of 3.7 out of 5 reflects customer hesitations more than the flashy marketing. Let me break down 3 big problem areas that users, including myself, ran into. First, the sound quality. Sony touts immersive sound quality thanks to the V1 chip, but many users feel the bass is weak and the audio lacks depth. If you love rich, thumping bass or warm mids for music, these might leave you unimpressed. The earbuds try to balance noise canceling with ambient sound, but often fail to block out distractions fully when you want isolation, or they over-isolate making you feel disconnected from the outside world. Imagine trying to focus on a meeting call while a jackhammer is pounding outside, and you still hear it too clearly, or on the flip side, losing awareness of your surroundings while crossing a busy street. It's a tricky balance, and Sony doesn't quite nail it. Second, the fit and comfort. The ultra-small and light promise sounds great for tiny ears, but many reviewers mention that the LinkBuds S tend to slip out or don't sit securely during exercise or movement. I mean, these are supposed to be your new best buds, right? If they're constantly falling out, they're more like new best fuddy-duddies, annoying but relentless. It's funny, because wearing earbuds is supposed to be stress-free. Feeling like you're forcing tiny plastic plugs into your ear canal every time you want to listen isn't relaxing. If you're someone who moves a lot or prefers a snug, dependable fit for workouts, these may frustrate you. The third big issue is call quality. Despite Sony boasting about advanced voice signal processing and claiming these have their best ever call clarity, real-world use tells a different story for many. Complaints of muffled voices, background noise bleeding in, and dropped connections pop up frequently on Amazon reviews and forums. If you rely on earbuds professionally for work calls or podcasts, this could be a deal-breaker. You don't want to sound like you're calling in from inside a wind tunnel or through a tin can. Although the multi-point connection tech is nice, switching devices mid-call isn't flawless and occasionally causes hiccups and delays. Alright, so I'm sure you're wondering, are there any bright spots that keep people buying these? Well, yes. Let's be fair. The battery life is solid. With 6 hours on a charge and up to 20 additional hours from the case, you can go a full day or two without scrambling for the charger. There's also quick charging, which can give you an hour of playback with just 5 minutes plugged in, a handy feature if you're always on the go. And for those who primarily want ambient sound with light noise canceling and ultralight earbuds for casual use, the LinkBuds S do deliver fairly well. Another plus is the IPX4 rating, so you don't have to worry too much about sweat or light rain messing up your earbuds during workouts or outdoor activities. And the adaptive sound switching, while imperfect, is a neat concept that tries to learn your habits and optimize what you hear depending on where you are or what you're doing. If you're a tech enthusiast who loves experimenting with smart features, it's an intriguing piece of engineering. But before you rush out to buy these, pause for a moment. Here's a question. Is the smart sound text convenience worth dealing with the mediocre audio and call quality? Because if you're a serious audiophile or someone whose job depends on crystal clear calls, you might want to look elsewhere. One thing I want you to know, Sony LinkBuds S are definitely not a one-size-fits-all earbud. If you're a casual listener, using earbuds mostly for podcasts, quick calls, or ambient background music while working, and value weightlessness and quick charge, they could be a decent fit. But if you're chasing after studio-grade sound or the best noise cancellation on the market, well, these might leave you hanging. Side note, funny enough, using the LinkBuds S during a phone call once, I told my friend to guess where I was calling from because of the muffled echo. They guessed Mars. Guess I should have charged my 5-minute quick charge a bit longer. You may also find the touch controls a little finicky. Sometimes your jog turns into a mime show as you try to adjust volume or skip tracks without accidentally pausing or skipping your favorite song. Not ideal when you just want to hum along and ignore the world. It's like the earbuds have a mind of their own, which, given the smart features, might be true. Still, I wouldn't write off the LinkBuds S completely. Sony's brand does mean you're getting quality hardware, and updates may improve some of the not-so-great features, like multi-point connection, that currently have a few kinks. For $179.99, they're competing in a tough market where giants like Apple AirPods Pro and Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds offer stellar alternatives. You get what you pay for. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine bought the LinkBuds S hoping for an upgrade from wired earbuds. He loved the ultralight design but quickly got frustrated with the inconsistent call quality during his daily sales calls and the earbuds slipping out during cycling. Eventually, he switched to a different brand, but admitted he liked the earbuds for casual podcast listening while cooking dinner or cleaning. So if you're similar, you might find your happy medium with these. With that said, are you looking for the perfect balance of smart adaptive sound and comfort? Or do you prioritize rock-solid sound and impeccable noise cancellation? Your answer will guide this purchase. Here's my final take. The Sony LinkBuds S brings some genuinely cool tech to the table, especially the smart sound feature and lightweight design, but they fall short in call clarity, secure fit, and delivering rich audio that music lovers crave. Unless you want earbuds mostly for everyday casual use with quick switching between devices, I'd recommend exploring other options in the same price range that excel in sound and fit. But don't just take my word for it. Check out user reviews and see if their pain points match what matters most to you. And if you do decide these are the earbuds for you, don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best current Amazon price. Oh, and one last joke before I go. Why did the earbud break up with the smartphone? Because it didn't feel the connection anymore. In conclusion, while the Sony LinkBuds S have their charms and innovative features, they also have limitations that may annoy those expecting a premium audio experience. If you're into light, smart earbuds and willing to compromise on sound and calls, these could be your next companion. But if you want serious noise cancellation, a secure fit for workouts, or crisp call quality every time, consider looking elsewhere. Thanks for sticking with me through this honest review. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and check the Amazon link in the description to snag the best deal on the LinkBuds S or find alternatives that might be better suited for you. Your ears deserve the best, so choose wisely.